Welcome to OffTrack RC. It's event number 3. This time we're going retro racing. This is race number 1 of event number 3. And it's a hot one in southern Illinois today, but we've got a great track surface. The track is nice and moist so far. We'll see how that develops throughout the racing bracket. But right now, we're getting ready to go retro monster truck racing. We've got a lot of hot action, and here it is.
As always, starting off with qualifier, Equalizer on top of the charts with a 10:19, Buffalo Trimmer and Taurus. Jeremy Mark looking strong in the top 2 and 3 with 11 seconds and 11:22. Otherwise, Stomper, King Ghidorah, Barefoot Dodge, Texas Toy, Gunslinger, and King Kong all in the 11-second bracket. First round racing on the line, it's Bigfoot 1 and Silverback, the incredible new six-wheeler from Don Breeden. Right now, Silverback in trouble. Certainly got some things to sort out, but oh, Jordan in Bigfoot in trouble. Here comes Silverback, the charge to the line, and the Silverback ekes one out at the finish line. Wow, that got wild. Oranginator and Jersey Outlaw on the track right now. Jersey Outlaw off to a lead, kicks it up in the corner on the turn marker, but no harm, no foul. The Jersey Outlaw shoots to victory.
Drivers ready. Watch the line.
Michigan Ice Monster, Greg Coffey in the near lane, and Overkill in the far lane. Spurlock's been strong so far this year, and he's looking good right now. Overkill with the win. A new truck, the Legend, driven by Fred Kors in the near lane, and Barefoot Racer, driven by Chris Parrish in the far lane. Barefoot off to lead, but spins out in that corner out there. Legend charging, trying to make up ground, but no dice as the Bear is in the air. Round number 2 of action, the fast qualifier Equalizer, Chris Parrish against Silverback, Don Breeden. We saw Don get the win in round 1. He's still working out some of the bugs on the Silverback. A little off track, Equalizer rolls to victory. King Kong 3 and Gunslinger. This seems like this could be a good battle. Calder 6 getting better and better with his return to RC racing. And Fred Kors, he's been getting better as a relative newcomer over the last couple of seasons. And Gunslinger gets to the finish line first on this one. Calder right back up on the line with Jersey Outlaw facing off against Stomper, driven by Chris Lane. Jersey Outlaw up and over, and the Stomper flies to victory. A little insult to injury there. Stomper running over Calder. Monster Powder Works up against King Ghidorah. Iron Aaron James in the far lane, and Andy Salerno with his Clodbuster debut in the near lane with a win. Overkill, Mike Spurlock in the near lane, and Buffalo Trimmer in the far lane, Jeremy Mark. Mark off to the lead, but it's neck and neck into the final corner. A great turn for the Trimmer, and Trimmer with the win.
Drivers ready. Watch the line.
Texas Toy, Spurlock back up on the line in the same lane. That could be advantageous against Chris Hackinson, and Bigfoot 1 in the far lane. The Hack off to the lead, and Hackinson with the win. Retro classic rivalry at its best. It's Taurus in the far lane against Barefoot Racer in the near lane. Mark and Parrish, great rivals on the track, came into the sport around the same time, but right now it looks like Taurus gets the measure of the Bear. I don't know if you just heard that, but on the track, there may be an issue in the far lane with Taurus. Taking a look back, slowing down right there, you see it. Two-wheeling the backside obstacle. That will be a penalty, gifting the win to Barefoot. Taurus had him covered. King of the Grove, the other six-wheeler, the original six-wheeler on the OTRT series, facing off against the Barefoot Dodge. We just saw the other Barefoot take a win, and it looks like the Dodge is going to do the same. Round number 3 of action. The top qualifier equalizer against Fred Kors and the Gunslinger. Gunslinger, the number 8 qualifier. Been looking very smooth, and he is looking smooth and solid as equalizer. Equalizer sent it in the corner. He's upside down. Kors and the Gunslinger in big trouble, working his way out, and finally somebody's going to take the win. Monster Powder Works, Andy Salerno in his Clodbuster debut against Stomper Chris Lane. Salerno respectable showing the first time out, but Stomper all the way. Chris Hackinson in Bigfoot 1 in the near lane, and Buffalo Trimmer in the far lane. Trimmer, the number 2 qualifier, so he had lane choice. Kind of making a home there. Oh, but Trimmer's in trouble. Hung up on a turn marker. Hackinson just has to get across the finish line cleanly, and he does it. Hackinson with Bigfoot 1 goes to the semifinals. Hackinson's other truck right back up on the line as it's an all-barefoot showdown. Barefoot Dodge with Hackinson. Barefoot Racer with Parrish, and the Dodge is upside down on the turn marker. Parrish in the Chevy Barefoot Racer goes to victory. Semifinal round. We're getting down to it. It's Stomper in the far lane, Gunslinger in the near lane, 2 relative newcomers getting a taste as Stomper goes to the finals. In the other pair, it's Barefoot Racer Chris Parrish and Chris Hackinson. Bigfoot 1, we've seen these two face off already, and Barefoot in big trouble. Bigfoot 1 off to a big lead. Can he carry the momentum all the way through the track? Yes! The Hack Attack is going to the finals. This is it. It's finals time. Bigfoot 1, Chris Hackinson, and Stomper, Chris Lane. Lane has never won a bracket before. Hackinson has a couple victories. Right now it's Stomper off in the lead, and Chris Lane, for the first time ever in Stomper, takes his first Retro Clodbuster racing victory.
Retro 1 competition. We saw a first-time winner in Retro class. How exciting. Chris Lane in the Stomper bringing it home. Again, first-time winner, very exciting. Ed Horman, our acting crew chief for the Stomper truck. Horman, it looked great out there. Chris was really on rails.
He was. It's all about the driver. I did absolutely nothing. It's all about the driver. Chris did a great job today.
Taking a look back at this incredible monster truck moment, it's excellent to see a newcomer break through for the victory. Stomper and Chris Lane, they've been working on their Retro Clodbuster program for some time. He's got a great J Concepts regulator under there, sporting the TNT silver flag. He's got the roll cage. He's got the whole look with the Stomper truck, and he's looking good in victory lane. It's been another great day of action at OTRC. Retro Clodbuster, a lot of fun as these trucks bounce around the track, bringing back some of the old school memories from the early days of Monster Truck. It's an exciting program. We hope you've enjoyed joining us for Retro Action. We've got more coming up. Next time out, race number 2, we crown an event champion for event number 3. Who's going to take home the hardware? But in the meantime, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, we'll see you then.